Welcome to TechVerse, where we explore the latest in tech to help you make smarter choices. Today, we're diving into the OnePlus 13, a flagship that plays it safe. Packed with refinements like enhanced durability, a massive battery, and AI tools, it's a solid upgrade, but lacks groundbreaking innovations. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. The OnePlus 13 is here, and while it doesn't reinvent the wheel, it brings some notable improvements. Let's start with the design. At 6.82 inches, the screen size remains the same, but OnePlus has shaved off a few millimeters and reduced the weight by 10 grams. Still, at 210 grams, it feels large and heavy. The front features a flat screen with Ceramic Guard for better durability, and the back has a slightly rough texture for improved grip. It's also IP68, rated for dust and water resistance, with OnePlus claiming it meets the even tougher IP69 standard. But remember, these are lab results. Real-world use might differ. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM. It's fast, handles heavy workloads effortlessly, and stays cool under pressure. The 6,000 mAh battery is a standout, easily lasting a full day. However, charging isn't groundbreaking. 65W charging takes about 30 minutes to reach 50%, and over an hour for a full charge. The software experience is clean, with Android 15 and Oxygen OS 15. It's free of bloatware and includes useful AI tools like screen text reading, automatic transcription, and photo editing. However, some features, like AI summaries, don't support Hebrew. The camera system, co-developed with Hasselblad, features 350MP sensors and offers 3x optical zoom with up to 120x digital zoom. While the results can look artificial at higher zoom levels, regular photography is excellent, even in low light. Priced at around $1,000 for the base mode and $1,100 for the higher-end variant, the OnePlus 13 is competitively priced. But with no major innovations, it feels like a safe bet rather than a game-changer. If you're looking for a reliable flagship with solid performance and battery life, the OnePlus 13 is a great choice. But if you want cutting-edge AI or groundbreaking features, you might want to explore alternatives like the Galaxy S25 or Pixel 9. Thanks for watching TechVerse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.